Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are seeing is a vibrant set of putta embossed soft silk sarees. The material used is soft in nature, light in weight, and it be used as a perfect functional wear. The whole body of these sarees are having beautiful 3D embossed design through which elegant puttas are symmetrically woven using golden zari. And these sets are also coming with unique borders, contrast rich pallu and contrast plain blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you guys like the collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Even if you want quick updates, you can join our WhatsApp group also. The link is given in the description. Please avoid direct calls. Do communicate through the given WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching.